Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Krisons Eternity 2.1 channel computer speakers. On the front of the box, we can see the Krisons logo right in the middle. Underneath that, we have some words that says Multimedia Speaker System, and underneath that, we have the words Home Theater. On the right hand side of the pack, on the front, we have the connectivity options that the speakers are compatible with. It is compatible with Bluetooth, USB, FM radio, aux cable, and remote control. On the left hand side, we have the compatible devices, which include LED TVs, mobile phones, laptops, tablets, PCs, gaming consoles, and DVD or VCD players. On the left hand side of the box, we have some of the technical specifications, so let's go through them one by one. The technical specifications include a frequency response on the main speakers, which are 40 Hz to 170 Hz. The FM frequency range is from 88 MHz to 108 MHz. The controls that are provided are volume control, bass control, PP or scan control, mode control, and previous or next control as well. In terms of the input and output jacks, we have the RCA type jack. Power supply is AC 220 volts to 240 volts at 50 Hz. The sound to noise ratio is greater than 55 decibels. The back of the box is the same as the front, and so is the right hand side of the package, which has the technical specifications repeated. On the top, we have the Krisons multimedia branding, and there's nothing on the bottom. So now that we are done with everything that is on the outside of the box, let's see what we get on the inside. First up, we have the user manual. This should familiarize you with all the different functions of the speakers, and it should help you get started off with using the speakers. Next up, we have a warranty card where you can register for the warranty, and behind that we have the details for the customer care. In terms of warranty, we would recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information about the warranty first. Then we have an RCA to 3.5 mm cable. Basically, this cable runs from the source, which might be a Blu-ray player or a PC or PlayStation or even your smartphone, and runs into the speakers as an output device. The length of the cable is approximately 1.5 meters. Coming to the speakers themselves, we'll look at the 2-channel speakers first. On the front, we can see a glossy black finish, and there is a bit of plastic that covers the drivers. You can see the drivers through the holes in the plastic. On the back, we have a different kind of finish. It is more of a grainy matte plastic finish. We also have a black and white cable that would run from these speakers into the main subwoofer unit. Coming to the subwoofer unit, we can see a large hole in the front where the subwoofer driver would be located. The front, once again, is a glossy piano black finish, and the rest of the speaker has the grainy matte plastic finish. On the front, we also have the Krisons logo right in the middle, and on each side we have a few of the control buttons. So let's go through the buttons now. On the left hand side, we have the PL and PS button right on the top. Underneath that, we have the mode button, and right at the bottom here we have a bass button. So this is actually a knob, not a button, and it can be turned to adjust the bass. On the right hand side, we have the previous and next buttons, and underneath that we have the treble knob, which can also be turned to adjust the treble levels. Right on the bottom, we have a big knob that is the volume control. Underneath the Krisons logo, we have a USB Type-A female interface, as we can see it right here. On the back of the main subwoofer unit, we have the various ports for the audio input and audio output. Here we can see the different colored ports for the left and right channels. At the bottom, we have the on-off switch, and we also have the cable, the power cable in this case. We also have an antenna. We can measure the power cable. This too seems to be about 1.5 meters long. Lastly, we have the remote control for the speakers. It has all the buttons that you might need in color coordination, and we can also see that it is pretty compact. The back has the battery hatch. So this was the unboxing of the Krisons Eternity 2.1 channel computer speaker. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.